Dreaming of seeing nebula and galaxies in all their glory? In your hands, you have the fast Levenhuk new Skyline Plus reflector with a 130mm aperture. It gathers significantly more light than compact models, allowing you to see even the faintest deep sky objects. Now, I'll show you how to assemble it quickly and without any fuss. Included in the box, the mount, accessory tray, slow motion control handles, 2 eyepieces, a screwdriver, a red dot finder, a counterweight, the tripod, and the optical tube. Let's start with the tripod. Loosen the locking screws slightly, extend the lower leg sections to the desired height, and tighten the locks. Spread the legs out wider so the tripod stands steady. Let's fit the accessory tray straight away. It doesn't just hold your eyepieces, it also makes the structure more rigid so the telescope doesn't wobble in the wind. Let's move on to the mount. Take the equatorial mount, place it onto the tripod platform and secure it firmly by screwing the locking bolt into the bottom hole. This is the base that will support the entire telescope tube. Now for an important step, the counterweight. It's needed to ensure the telescope doesn't tip over and can rotate easily. Slide the counterweight onto the shaft, roughly to the middle. Next, hold the counterweight with one hand and with the other, insert the counterweight shaft into the threaded hole on the mount and tighten it firmly. Then, secure the counterweight in place using the screw on the shaft itself. Now for the slow motion control knobs. To attach them, you first need to loosen the locking screws. Then, fit their ends onto the edges of the worm gears and secure them again with the screws. And the second one. Let's check. Moving on to the telescope tube itself. Remove the transport rings from it, loosen the nuts and open the hinges. Place the rings onto the mounting plate of the mount and secure them using the screw. Now find the balance point of the tube. Position it so that the center of gravity falls exactly in the middle between the rings. Close the ring hinges around the tube and tighten the screws, but without force, so that the tube can still be shifted slightly when balancing. Now, install the red dot finder. Insert its mount into the slot on the tube and tighten the locking screw. To switch on the finder, turn the brightness control clockwise until it clicks. Just a few final touches left. Loosen the locking screws on the focuser, remove the plastic cap and insert the eyepiece. Tighten the lock-in screws so the eyepiece doesn't fall out. You're all set for your astronomical adventures. And remember the golden rule, never point the telescope at the sun without a special filter. It's dangerous for your eyesight and you mustn't even look through the finder. Wishing you clear nights and bright discoveries.